I'm going to be giving you 5 tips on how to enhance your video quality, taking you from a learner to a professional with just your phone. So let's get right into it. Of course, number 1 is lighting. Good lighting. Good lighting can make a huge difference in the quality of your videos. Natural light is your best friend. I can't say this enough. I so much love to film my content during the day and close a window. So whenever you're trying to film your content, make sure to film your content during the day near a window. But if you love to film indoors and you love to film at night, then you have to consider getting a softbox or a ring light. And make sure to position your light source right in front of you so that you can avoid all those harsh shadows and ensure that your face is well lit. You have to remember that lighting can set the tone and mood of your video. You can play around it until you find exactly what you want. Tip number 2 is to optimize your camera settings. Now, whether you're using a DSLR mirrorless camera or you're using your smartphone, make sure to set your resolution to the highest possible quality. Adjust your frame rate according to the type of video that you're recording. So you're going to be doing 24 FPS for a cinematic look, and then you're going to be doing 30 FPS for a standard look. You're going to be doing 60 FPS for a smooth motion in live action shots. Tip number 3 is stabilization. Now, a shaky video is not going to cut it at all. Get yourself a tripod. If you can't control your camera that much, get yourself a gimbal.
Shaky videos can be so distracting and unprofessional, so you can't be having shaky videos at all.
Make sure to use your tripod while shooting your videos so your videos can be steady. You can also try to hold your camera with both hands so that your videos will be steady. So use image stabilizing features either on your camera or on your phone, or even when you're editing your videos, so it can reduce the shake since you've already made that mistake. A stabilized footage just makes it very sweet and smooth to watch, and it does not get anybody distracted. Tip number 4 is audio quality. Bad audio can ruin the best visuals. You can take a very sweet and beautiful shot with a very bad audio and nobody can watch it and it's good as nothing. So if you don't have a quiet background to make your videos, you can equally invest in a good microphone to set a good mode and audio to your videos. Using a microphone is very, very essential because it just leaves you with a clear and crisp sound. There are different types of microphones to invest in if you're looking to invest in a microphone. We have the lav mics, we have the shotgun mics, we have the USB microphones. There are so many options depending on your budget and your setup. Now, always monitor your audio levels and make sure to reduce noise every time you're editing your videos. Make sure you reduce noise and you enhance your audio.
And if you don't have a microphone or you're not looking to get one right now, you can still get great audio. You can always enhance your audio while editing.
If you don't know how to do that, you can tell me in the comment section and I'm going to tell you exactly how to enhance your audio without having to even buy a microphone. Right now, the audio that I'm using is enhanced. I'm not using any microphone, okay? So if you want to learn how to do that, tell me in the comment section and I'm going to provide the details for you. Number 5 is editing. Now, editing can change your video quality, can change your video from looking like this to this. You can use softwares like CapCut, InShot, Lightroom, Adobe Premiere Pro, can use Final Cut Pro, even free options like DaVinci Resolve. What you have to be doing when you're editing is to pay attention to your color grading, your audio syncing, keep your edits very smooth and consistent so you can maintain a professional look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of edits so you find the style that works best for you. And there you have it. These are 5 tips to improve your video quality. You have the lighting, the camera settings, the stabilization, and the editing process. I have to focus on these areas and trust me, you're going to get a very good video quality. If you use the tips that I've given you today, you're surely going to see improvement in your video. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this. See you guys next time. Bye.